I wanted to make this film. You see that guy walking? That is a fur hat. Also, I would like to get the picture of my little dove that I feed. There he goes, and there's my dove. This is what I woke up to this morning. Eastern Europe snowstorm. It's blanketed. I don't know how many inches we're supposed to get. I know in the mountains they got over 3 feet so far. Hope we don't get that. I'd like to see some more people with fur so that you could watch this. Fur's really big over here. There goes a man with a fur hat on. Oh, there goes the ambulance. It has been in the high 60s over here in temperature, and now it's like -1, -2 and snow. This is only supposed to last for a few days, back up into the low 60s by Friday, high 60s, low 70s for the weekend. But thought you might like to see that. I'll zoom back now. There's what it looks like. They get some big snowstorms over here. Okay, thanks for watching.